So I pretty much set up this method on Wednesday, August the 2nd, and I didn't make any money on that day. It took me another 2 days to actually see some results with this, but because this takes literally just 10 minutes to set up, you can see that I was able to make 162.74 just by working for 10 minutes. Now, this is not going to be making you this amount of money every 10 minutes, but if you're going to set up this method using a brand new untapped traffic source that is getting 1.6 billion monthly views, which is literally 1.6 thousand millions, that's like 1/4 of the world's population comes to this website every single month. Today, I'm going to show you how to tap into this traffic source that's more popular than Pinterest or even TikTok. Now, this is going to be a brand new untapped traffic source that not many people know about. Also, I'm going to show you one of its brand new features that it didn't have before that we are going to use to target tons of qualified traffic and to get some sales.
Before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon.
At the end, I'm going to show you a simple hack that I've been using myself with this method to make it work even faster. So, instead of waiting days for your first sale, it can take just as little as a couple of hours. Alright guys, first of all, what you want to do is go to clickbank.com, and if you've never been on this website before, you want to sign up for your free account. So make sure you are going to grab yourself a ClickBank account because we are going to be using this affiliate marketplace to generate money. First of all, you want to grab yourself a ClickBank account, a free account, and then you want to log right into it. Then just head over straight to the affiliate marketplace, and instead of choosing one of these niches that you want to be promoting offers from, I'm going to show you how to do that on app offers that you can find on ClickBank. Pretty much, if you're going to click on Sort by Tap Offers, you will get the list of the best-selling affiliate offers right here on ClickBank. As you can see, every single one of these is going to be making you over $100. Some of these are going to be making you even more than that, because pretty much these are average conversions. These conversions are estimated from all the sales of the product, what people made on average. So, pretty much, you can make even more money than it's displayed right here. Now, what you want to do here is pretty much just sort through these offers, and you want to find some that are going to be in very high converting. You can judge that by this gravity score next to the offer. The higher the gravity score, the better it's converting, and you will have that easier time to make money with it. Now, pretty much you want to go through all of these, and you want to find some that, on top of being high converting, are going to provide you with tons of done-for-you resources. This is very important because you don't want to be creating any of these resources yourself to make it as easy as possible. All you want to do is just copy the done-for-you resources that are going to be provided for you on the affiliate page. Just head over to the affiliate page of this product. As you can see, this one could work well. Alpaling Weight Loss Supplement, a top-selling ClickBank offer. Everything provided, email swipes, images, tracking pixels, for this method. Alpaling is a product you can use, and you can also do this for multiple offers at the same time. Increase your earning chances. I use the product His Secret Obsession from the self-help section, averaging over $160 per method. It's a top-performing product, paying over $60 per conversion, with reliable sales in the self-help and relationship niche. You can apply this method to any affiliate offer and it'll work similarly. Go to the product's affiliate page, Ensuring. Ensure the affiliate page provides done-for-you resources copy and paste materials designed for your chosen product, saving time on creating content. Drive traffic from the source I'll reveal to the sales page. Also, what you want to make sure is that you are going to pick a product that's going to have a very nicely designed sales page. For example, something like this with this presentation. Or if I'm going to skip to the text version of the sales page, it's going to look something like this, because the sales page is going to be doing all the selling for you. So that's the reason why you want to have something high converting, so you can make the most from the traffic source that I'm going to show you. So pretty much to start with this method, all you want to do is just grab yourself an affiliate link for the product by clicking this promote button. All you have to do is just fill in your ClickBank nickname and click on create a hop link. That way, you will get your very own affiliate link. Every time somebody is going to use this exact link to get to the sales page and they are going to make a purchase, you are going to get paid. Once you're going to copy your affiliate link, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for your favorite link shortener. Now, one of the reasons why I like using Bitly is because it's going to store all the links in a very nice library that I can return to and just copy it from there. Just go to your favorite link shortener, and if you're using Bitly, click on Create New, click on Create a Link. You want to paste it into this destination field just like that. For this method, you don't have to customize this back half option because we are not going to be displaying this link directly. All you have to do then is just click on Create Link right here, and it's going to get created. Now, once you're going to have such a link like this, you can save it into a notepad or somewhere. If you're using Bitly, it's going to get stored for you, so you don't have to copy and paste it anywhere else. Now we can move to the traffic source. Now for this, what you want to do is go back to Google and you want to search for LinkedIn. Hit search and done. Pretty much what you can see right here, you are going to be showing this website that's called linkedin.com. You may know this website if you've ever been hunting for a job or trying to build your online resume. This website is one of the most popular, most visited websites out there right now. It's being used to advertise yourself, your skills. Most of you are going to probably know it if you've ever been looking for a job. As you can see right here, LinkedIn is getting over 1.6 billion monthly visitors from all over the world. If you can see right here in these statistics, it's even more popular than TikTok or even Pinterest. It's right below Reddit and Discord, but it's still more popular than these two traffic sources that most people are using for affiliate marketing nowadays. So if you're going to be doing this method on LinkedIn, you are going to be one of the few people that get started with this, because this is a brand new feature due to this brand new feature that I'm going to show you. So, pretty much what you want to do is go to LinkedIn and sign up for your free account. If you already have an account on LinkedIn, I highly suggest that you create a brand new account for this. Now, as you can see right here, I have set up a dummy account on LinkedIn. To be completely honest, I never used LinkedIn before trying out this method, not even to find a job or anything like that. I know very little about this website. If you have more experience than me with LinkedIn, you may find this very trivial, very easy to do. Based on the numbers alone, you literally can't lose any money on this. Now, the exact feature that I was talking about that LinkedIn added recently can be found right here. You can create a post sharing something on LinkedIn. But pretty much what you want to do is go to this Write Article button and click on it. This wasn't here before, and pretty much what it allows you to do is create your own article on LinkedIn that you can then drive traffic to. All you want to do here is just pretty much copy something that's already pre-made for you on the affiliate page. So just go to the affiliate page, and pretty much what you want to do is go through these done for you resources and find an article that you can use for this. Then just open these articles up. As you can see, for this exact product, you just have to download this very simple file that's going to contain all the resources. So I'm just going to click on download. As you can see right here, I've got tons of high quality text that I can use to promote this product. Pretty much all you have to do here is just copy this text from these done for you resources and use it to write an article on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to paste this part in here just like that. I'm going to go back to the affiliate resources, and let's also put this part in here, because what you want to do is put there a part that's going to contain this phrase. Click here to learn more. Why this is important, I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds, but pretty much what you want to do is copy this part as well and paste it into the LinkedIn article creator. Then you want to go back to your link shortener, copy the shortened affiliate link, hop back to LinkedIn. What you want to do is embed this sentence with your affiliate link. So pretty much all you have to do is just highlight it, go to this link button, then paste your affiliate link in there and click on Apply. That way, this part of the sentence will become a clickable button. Every time somebody clicks on it, they will come to the sales page through your affiliate link, and that's how you actually get the money. Now, pretty much once you've created an article just like this, what you want to do is also create a banner for it. For that, just go back to the affiliate page and go to the section where it says Banners. Not all of these are going to have this banner section. All you want to do is pick some image that's provided with the affiliate offer. I'm just going to go to this banner section, and right here you can see tons of done-for-you images that you can pretty much just copy and use with this method. So I'm going to pick one of these. Previously, I used one of these right here at the tab. So I'm just going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to open it up, save it to my computer just like that. I'm also going to write a clever headline. Something like, the #1 reason why men pull away. From this, it's parental. I want to do right here on LinkedIn, just create an article just like this. All you have to do then is click on Next, and it's going to give you this option to make a shout out for your article. What you want to do is go ahead and write there something like, check out this article. Why men pull away from you in relationships. Also, what you want to do is add a bunch of hashtags in there, because this article is going to be ranking on Google. Also, what you want to do to make it as visible as possible and relevant to the product, you want to add in a bunch of hashtags. For that, simply go to Google, and you want to search for Rapid Tax TikTok. Hit search on that, and pretty much go to this first website that's called rapidtax.io, which I use myself personally for YouTube and for a bunch of other stuff as well. Recently, they have released this TikTok tag generator, which is going to create relevant hashtags for something that's going to be pretty much popular on TikTok. If it's going to be popular on TikTok, it can be popular on LinkedIn too. So, what you have to do is just go to the search bar and type in there the name of the product. In this case, it's his secret obsession. Then, I'm also going to add in there the name of the image and also the headline of the article that I have created. What you want to do then is just click on this search button, and it's going to generate this bunch of hashtags that you can use for this. Just go ahead and copy them and paste them into the LinkedIn post. If you feel like that's not enough hashtags, just go ahead and generate a bunch more and add them in there. Then pretty much just publish this post. Once you're going to publish this article on LinkedIn, it's going to take actually a couple of days to start drawing some traffic. Also, because you added these hashtags right here, it's going to be ranking on Google. Every time somebody's going to search for this exact same problem that we are discussing in this article, they are that much more likely to find this one because it's posted on LinkedIn. Pretty much the entire reason why this method works so well is that if you're going to, for example, write your phone number with a Sharpie on a bus stop, at a pole, or at a bench or something, pretty much the chances are not that many people are going to see it. And even fewer people are going to call your number. If you want to do that for whatever reason, please don't do that. But imagine you are going to write your name on a SpaceX rocket that's going to be heading to space soon, and it's going to be captured by all the televisions around the world. People are going to see your phone number, and you are going to get definitely thousands, if not millions of calls. Because you have posted this article on LinkedIn, which is like this powerhouse when it comes to Google searches. If you're going to be associated with LinkedIn, your article is very much more likely to rank higher in searches as opposed if you were to post it on some other website. Actually, it's going to take a couple of days for this article to rank on Google. But now comes the part where I'm going to show you a clever hack that I've been using myself in the past, and it has worked for me very well. What you want to do is go to this website right here called indexkings.com. You want to pretty much paste the link to your article into this white field right here. You want to check in this complex URL box. Click on Rapid Index, and that way, this website is going to generate tons of pings for your article on LinkedIn. It's going to pretty much work like a signal that your article is in demand and people are going to find it as opposed to other articles with the same hashtags. That way Google is that much more likely to rank it. So, instead of waiting for like days to rank on Google, it can take literally just a couple of hours. That's it for today, guys.
Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.